Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And today in this video we are going to see how to create a surface top view chart in VBA Excel. To create this amazing chart, we require this sample data as shown on the screen. Now, first we are going to see the output of a chart, and then we will get a deep understanding about the code written behind this chart to be created. Now, so to understand it thoroughly and clearly, please do stay back till this end of this video. Now let's see the output first of our VBA code. Now as you can see that this is our chart created using VBA Excel, and this will be our output once we have written our code. Now let's see the code written behind this chart. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create this amazing surface top view chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see the steps written to create this type of chart one by one. First, we have to select a single cell inside our range to create this type of chart. Once you have selected the range, or you can say a single cell inside your data over here, now what we are going to do is we are going to use a single with statement over here to create this chart. Now we will see how this code works. First, after writing with, we are going to say ActiveSheet.Shapes.AddChart2, and then we are going to give some parameters for this chart. So as you can see that first parameter will be the chart type, or you can say chart type number. So this is our chart type number in VBA Excel. And then we are going to give the chart type, which is Excel surface top view, and then we are going to give the left, width, top and height numbers or values to set our and create our chart like this over here. After that, we are going to close the bracket and we are going to give dot chart over here. Once you have given this, then we have to set our chart title first. So what we are going to use over here is we are going to do dot hash title equals to true, which means we are notifying or we are informing our VBA editor that yes, we have a chart title, and then we are going to use dot chart title dot text equals to then our surface, or you can say then our name of our surface chart. So this name can be changed by you as per your convenience. After this, we are going to set our element to remove the primary grid lines, which is dot set element MSO element primary value grid lines none. And then another element we will setting is to remove the category grid lines, which will be dot set element, and in the brackets it will be MSO element primary category grid lines none. These two lines of code will help you to remove the grid lines from your chart. And then we are going to set the chart style. So as you can see, the chart style is 308 for our chart. Once you have set this chart style, we are going to set another element which will be the legend. So as you can see, these are our legends, and we are going to set this legends on top using dot set element, and then in the brackets we are going to give MSO element legend top. Once you have given this, we are going to end our with statement using end with. So as you can see over here, we have ended our with statement, and then as you can see, we have selected a single cell again outside our dataset. So this will create the entire surface top view chart in VBA Excel. And that's it. Congratulations, you have learned how to create a surface top view chart in VBA Excel. If you want to know about more chart types and more visualizations in VBA, then please do subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment for more such videos. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.